Hey boys and girls, Miss Barrow coming to you on day 3 of our reading of Apple Farmer Annie. Today we're going to talk about the story. In our story, we use a story map to help us navigate the story. The title of our story, or the name of our story, is Apple Farmer Annie. The author of our story is the person who wrote the story, and that person is Monica Wellington. The illustrator in our story is the person who paints the pictures, and that person must be Monica Wellington as well. Characters in our story, those are the people that we see when we read our story. And in our story, we see Annie. We also see her dog. We also see the friends and family that comes to visit the farmer's market. There's lots of customers as she's working at the farmer's market. And there's also her cat that she goes home to. The setting of our story is where the story takes place. This story has many settings. At first, Annie is at the apple orchard, so she is outside finding her apples. Then she goes to her house and she cooks the apples to make different sort of products to sell at the farmer's market. Definitely some applesauce. Then she goes to the farmer's market where she sells her apples. That is outside as well. And then she comes back home to relax with her animals. So we've had a setting of outside picking apples and working at the farmer's market, and inside where she's cooking her applesauce and enjoying quiet time with her pets. If we were to take a look at our story and start from the beginning and go to the end of the order of events, the sequence of the story, this is called a story map. Our story begins with Annie going to the apple orchard. She picks all the ripe apples in the fall. She then sorts and organizes all of her apples by different colors, by different shapes, and by different sizes. Annie at her house makes lots of yummy things with her apples. Applesauce, apple pies, look at all those yummy things. She loads up her truck and takes all of the good things she has made to the city. That's where the farmer's market is located. At the farmer's market, she sells her goods at the farmer's market. You can see her apple pies, her apple sauce, and she's even selling apples. After working a hard day at the farmer's market, she's tired, but happy to be at her home, relaxing with her dog and her cat. I hope you enjoyed sequencing the story about Apple Farmer Annie. Have a great day.